All right, today's the day. Let's get everything.
First, grab the wheels. We need milk, eggs, and... Wait, where's the bread?
Aisle 3 on the left. Perfect. Now, are these apples worth it? Looking good.
Time for a wardrobe refresh. New shirt? Yes. New shoes? Absolutely.
Let's learn shopping in English.
I need to buy some groceries today.
How much are these apples? How much are these apples?
Excuse me, where is the bread? Excuse me, where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3 on the left. The bread is in aisle 3 on the left.
I want to get some milk and eggs.
Can I pay by card, please? Can I pay by card, please?
Your total is $15. Your total is $15.
Do you have this in a larger size?
These shoes are very comfortable. These shoes are very comfortable.
I got everything on my list. I got everything on my